Good morning, my dear students. My name is College Research Assistant Professor JS College of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today, I discuss the representation of curve under the subject of computer aided design, and this was a representation of curves is here. The representations of curves and surface is described. The representations of surface allow describing objects through their six. The three most common representations are here. That means here the polygonal mesh and the bicubic parametric surface, the chordic surface also, and the parametric representations of curves. The important in computer graphics and 2D because of parametric surface are a generalized of this curve. The you can see this is the one figure you can that like a kidney, and you have to consider the the T pod, that means is the modeled by smooth curved surface, and this like your the um, bicubics is here, that like you the reference model in computer graphics, especially for new technique of realism, texture and surface testing creating by Martin Newell. This means 1975. You can see that like your the smooth curves also will be given, that like the on is the handle. You can see the handle is the one smooth curves, and also the outlet also will be another curves is considered, and this will be considered also your the different type of parametrics representations of curves is given in this picture. The first is come here, just like here the wireframe. Wireframe models. Basically the wireframe models. There are three types of geometric models is here. That like the wireframes, surface and solids. The what is the surface and what is the solids? Basically, when we can draw in our engineering graphics, that like the different surface drawings also will be considered, and again another things when you have to draw by this the CAD, then you have to surface modeling also will be considered, the which is the different surfaces different surfaces draw, that like so the different surface modeling will be comes here. And sometimes we have to consider the wireframe, and another the geometric models is given, that like the different type of wireframes is considered according to the solid of projections. We can draw this different type of solid projections, that like the which is the view, that like the top view, front view and the side view. The all things you can be draw by using the your solid surface. The typically a wireframe model consists of a finite set of points. The vertex is here. The connected in pairs in a connected by in a pairs of by straight lines is or arcs, circles, the conics and curves, so that the three dimensions from of a solid object can be visualized. The basically we have to draw the different type of arcs, the different type of circles, and the different the considered according to the conic sections and administer different like the parabola, hyperbola, and also the ellipse can be drawn during toward the different conic sections, and also the curves will be drawn, that like the the bispline curves by the Bezier curves also will be considered according to this the different type of curves, so that the three dimensions from of solids objects can be visualized. The major advantages of wireframe modeling is its simplicity to construct. It does not require as much computer time and memory as does the surface or solid modelings also will be here. The wireframe modeling is considered a natural extensions of traditional method of drafting is considered according to the wireframe modelings. And what is your the wireframe modeling? That like your the natural extensions also will be required, and during toward the traditional method of drafting, that means the by your hand drawings you have to draw the different type of wireframe models will be drawings. The disadvantage of wireframe models are manifold, that like your the primarily wireframes model are usually ambiguous representations of real object and rarely have heavily of human interpretations also will be considered according to all the real lives real objects we can be draw, that like is the disadvantages considered according to this. The ambitious representations of this the object of real life, the human entrepreneur. So you can see the display holes and curves, and in wireframes model you have to see that like your the holes will be created, and also you can see that like your curves will be representation that this is comes from this the models of complex design having the many edges become very confusion, and perhaps even impossible to interpret. The moreover, as shown in this figure, it is often difficult to display the objects with the curved surface using the wireframes. Basically, this will be comes from this the different complex designs. Also, will be here. You can see from this the first figure that like the two hole is the seen, and also the second figure will be considered according to throw holes we can find during to these figures, but the third ones also will be seen during toward the solid surface that like your the hole is creating through this your the solid phase. Then this is the very displaying hole, and also this is considered according to the different confusions, and also the different complicated figures will be drawn during to this here. And parametric curve, the parametric curve representations, you can see curves can be described mathematically by non-parametric or parametric equations. You can consider the non-parametric equations can be explicit or implicit. You can consider for a non-parametric curve, that is the non-parametric curves, the coordinates y and x, y and z of a points on the curve are the expressed as two separate functions of the third coordinate, just like the x, as in independent variables will be considered, just like the p equals to x, y, z, that is the transportations will be given, that like the t is putting on this the third bracket equals to x, fx, gx, and also this will be considered according to the transportations. The non-parametric explicit from is here, that like the f x, y, z equals to 0, and also the g, x, y, z equals to 0, and this will be considered according to the non-parametric implicit forms of is here, that like your conditions, and also the coordinations of is here, that is the p is required for this the transportations will be comes, that like your the previous chapters already did during your the transportations of and also the this is the transformations functions will be comes here, that like your the transportations, and similarly this is will be considered according to your the parametrics, as like as your the non-parametric representations is find. There are three problems with the describing curves using the non-parametric equations. The non-parametric equations, if the slope of curves at a point is vertical or near vertical, its value become infinitely or very large is considered. Basically, this will be comes here. There are three problems with the describing curves using the non-parametric equations, and you have to see here, if the slope of the curves at a point is vertical or near the vertical, its value becomes infinity or very large. And another things will be considered according to this, the shape of most engineering object are instinctively independence of any coordinate system. Basically, the different type of engineering objects we have to draw, that like you have to consider according to the independence of this, the any types of coordinates systems will be considered. But our the geometrical figures, that like or the arts is the that like is the coordinate systems will be considered, but this will be movement for this the every steps we have to find during the different type of coordinate systems will be here. And but our engineering objects not will be depends, that like all these arts movements will be considered. If the curve is to be displayed as a series of points or straight line segments, the computations involved could be extensive, also will be considered according to your the curve displays, that like your the series of points or the straight lines segmentations will be considered. So like your the computation for this the different type of in extensiveness also will be find. You can see here in parametrics from each point on a curve is expressed as a function of a parameter that like the u is considered, and of parametric equations for a three-dimensional curve in space takes the value is what is the following vector from is here. You can see here the the p function of u is the x, y and z will be come here during to this the x, y, z. X, Y, Z you can see here. Uh, you have to objects the in parametric is points. You can consider according to this. Uh, According to this, the parametric point curve is expressed as a functions of this the parameters mu, and the pu equals to x, y, z. That like your the transportation t is here, and equals to x u, y u, and also the z u, and the transportation is given that like your the t comma is here u mean less than equals to u less than equals to max also will be considered according to your the systems. You have to find that. That likes your systems you can find, and accordingly there are the two categories categories of curves that can be represented. That like your the parametric representation of the analytical curves is here, and the can be represented parametrically. That like the analytic curve and synthesis curves also will be found during to your the parametric representation of analytic curves. And analytic curves are defined as those that can be described by analytic equations such as lines, circles and conics. That basically depends on this the lines, circles and conics. You have to draw the different type of the parametric representations or the analytics curves you can be draw. And another thing is here the synthetic curves are the ones that are described by a set of data points. That is the control points is come here, such as spline and Bezier curves will be considered according to the parametric representation of analytical curves. And another things you can see the lines and circles are often expressed in analytical equations. Basically this will be depends according to the different analytical equations that like your the parametric representations of any analytical curves will be considered is here. And first we can draw the parametric equations of the line becomes the line is first will be required that like you have to your invent you have to starting the different type of drawing or the design. First you have to draw is the lines. The parametric equations of the lines becomes the p equals to p1 plus u into p2 minus p1 bracket close. That like is the condition is here the 0 less than equals to u and less than equals to 1 is considered according to all the parametric equations is the considered. And another thing is that scalar form these equations can be written as the x equals to x1 plus u into x2 minus x1. This is the considered as this the scalar form of these equations can be written as. And another thing is here the y equals to y1 plus y1 plus u into y2 minus y1, and this is the another equation. And z equals to z1 plus u into z2 minus z1. That like your this is the different scalar form of these equations will be given here, and this is the different new value is considered according to this the x, y and z. This is the on coordinates is here, and during to these three equations you have to on depends on this the on condition that like your the 0 less than u less than 1 is considered according to your the line segmentations is considered according to this that depends on this the u value. This is the u value is 0, then your the x and y value also the x value also will be changed, and that depends on this the u value is the 1, then you have to consider according to your the final points to this the initial point. That like your the 2 points also will be considered according to this the lines, and basically the is lines is depends on this the 2 points also will be here the left and right. That like your the 2 points will be considered according to this the x, y and z axis also. The circles and circular arcs are among the most common entities used in wireframe modeling. You can see here the parametric equations of the circles can be written as that like your the x equals to xc plus r cos mu cos u. That means the r use depends on this the 0 less than u less than 2 pi, and this is basically depends on this the value of u, and you can see here the equals to x equals to the xc plus r cos u, and y equals to yc plus r sin u, and also z equals to zc is the find here, that like your the parametric equation of the circus can be find. And another things you have to consider according to the incremental form, the incremental forms, that like your the circus, the xn equals to xc plus r cos u, and yn equals to yc plus r sin u is here, and you can consider according to the on incremental form of this x, that like your the x n plus 1 equals to xc plus r cos u plus del u. This is the find this value of the x. And another things you can see here, the y into y is here the n plus 1 equals to yc plus r sin u plus del u. You have to consider according to this, and z n plus 1 equals to zn. This is the point for the incremental form, and during to this incremental form you have to consider according to this the different x, y and z value is the calculated, that like your the x is the initially is the xn is here, and the x another 1 point will be incremented, the similarly y is here yn, and the y is the one incremented, and similarly this z is also will be changes your the position, that like is considered according to the incremental form. And another things is the synthetic curves. The need for synthetic curves in design arise on two occasions when a curve is represented by a collection of measured data points, and when an existing curve must change to meet new design requirements. And this is the synthetic curves also, that like is depends on the different the collections of measured data points, and when the existing curves must change to meet new design requirements also. The analytics curves are usually not sufficient to meet geometric design requirements of mechanical parts. The basically the synthesis curve also will be considered. This will be required for this the design of different component of mechanical or also the machine elements. The you have to require the required for this the synthesis, and this synthesis curves is the provide the designers with greater flexibility and control of curve shape by changing the positions of the control points also. That just like that this synthesis curves is required during toward the different flexibility also will be considered according to this the design times, and also this is the different positions also hold during to this the shape change, and also the during to these points this control points also will be considered according to the synthesis curves, and that this synthesis curves is used to the different way, and that like your the different according to your the different requirements you have to consider according to putting this flexibility of this control curves. And another things, the products such as car bodies, products that like your the such as car, and also this the bodies, the ship, hulls, and also aeroplane, the fuselage and the wings also will be considered according to this type of synthesis curve is used properly. And another thing is here the propeller blades. You can see that like your the propeller blade, that is the one curve is the required for during toward the synthesis of this the 3D modeling also will be here, and this is show in soul, so in souls also will be considered or the required according to your the synthesis curves. And waters are a few examples that requires free from air or synthetic curves, and surface also will be considered according to the bottle, and that like your the different type of bottles you have to consider according to this the neck of your the bottle. Then you have to few examples, and that's like your the different record for this the free form and also the synthetic curves and the surfaces is here. And a spline curve is defined by giving a set of coordinates positions, like your the set of coordinate positions, the control points, which indicates the general shape of the curves. These control points are then fitted with piecewise, that like is the considered according to this the piecewise the continuous parametric polynomial function. This will be considered according to the continuous parametric polynomial function, that like is the also a mathematical functions also will be considered according to draw the different type of curves or the general shapes will be here, like your the previous pieces wise continuous parametrics polynomial functions is required when the polynomial sections are fitted so that the curve passes through each control point. The resulting curve is said to interpolates the set of control points will be required, that like the different control points during toward the different polynomial functions, that like the sections, and this will be the fitted so that the curve passes through the each control points. This curve is the passes through this the each control points, that like your the resulting curve is said to interpolate that the set of control points will be considered. And another things, on the other hand, so when the polynomials are fitted to the general control points, that like is the fitted in the general control points, and that like your the path without necessarily passing through any control points, the resulting curve is said to appropriate the set of control point also will be here. The basically the this will be without necessarily that like the passing through the any control points, that like the any type of control point is considered, the resulting curve is said to the approximate the set of control point is here. The order of a synthetic curve, what is the order is found according to the synthetic curves, that like your the mathematically synthetic curves represents a curve fitting, like is the represent a curve fittings problems to construct a smooth curve, that like your the mathematically synthesis this will be considered the curve presents a curve fitting problem to construct, and also the smooth curves also that passes through given data, the where is the given data points, and the zero order continuity, that like the C0, the yields a position continuous curve also will be here, that like the C0, and the yields as they considered according to the position continuous curves. And another things, the first C1 and the second C2, that like the this order is the followed during toward the order of synthetic curves, and this order continuities simply slope and curvature continuous curve represently, that like got the continuous curve, that like is the represently if C on curve is the minimum acceptable curve for engineering design also. During toward the engineering designs, a cubic polynomial is the minimum order polynomial that can guarantee the generation, that can be granted the generations of C0, C1 or C2 curves will be here. And another things also will be considered, also the designer may prepare to control the shape of the curve locally instead of globally by changing the control points, that like your the designer depends on this the control points will be changes, that like your the locally few times this will be changed, and sometimes you have to consider according to changes by this the globally at this the control points. This like your the Hermite cubic splines also will be, you can see this the Hermite from of cubic spline is determined by defining positions and tangents vectors at the data points is here. The parametric cubic spline curve or the cubic spline for short connects to the data ends also is found. That like your the points and utilize in cubic equations. These cubic equations therefore four coordinations are required to determine the coefficient of equation, that likes the parametric equations of a cubic spline segment is given by, that like the pu equals to the summation of y to 0, that like is the max to 3, the cj u I is considered, that like is the value 0 less than equals to u less than equals to 1 is considered, where the u is the parameters and the ci are the polynomial also called the algebraic coefficients is found here, that like your the Hermite cubic spline. You can see that this will be the Hermite cubic spline curve is given here, that like the three coordinates also will be depends on this the curve, that like the x, y and z coordinates, and you have to putting this value the P0, that like the first point is the P0 and the final point is considered equals to P1 u minus u equals to 1. And you can see the from this equation the equation is found here, that like the Pu equals to this equations. You have to putting this value, the u equals to 0, and then you have to find this like the starting point. From this the 1 point is the considered according to this the u equals to 0, and then you have to given to this the arrow, and that like this curves is found, and the P1 equals to u equals to 0 is the considered, and then this like this is considered according to the Hermite cubic spline curve is here. And the scalar from this equation is written as that like the x u equals to c3 x tends to u to 3 and plus c2x u square plus c on x u plus c0x is considered as the x u, and the y u value is here, that like the c3 y u3 plus c2 y u square plus c1 y u plus c0 y is here during to the second equations, and that like the z u equals to c3 z 2 to u3 and plus c2 z u square plus c on z u plus c0 z equals to considered is here. And in an expanded vector from that like the pu equals to c3 u3 plus c2 u square plus c1 u plus c0, and this is the comes from the an expanded vector forms. And another things is here, that like the matrix form. Matrix forms is here, the pu equals to udc, where the u equals to u3 u square u on, and this will be the transportation equation, and given to this the symbol of transportation, that like the is t, and c equals to brackets the c3 c2 c on c0, that like is the also given to this the transportations, and also c is called the coefficient vector. The tangent vector is here the p u equals to, that is the I equals to 0, that means the summation of the 3 ci I u I equals to I minus 1, that like the 0 tends to mu u tends to 1 is here. And another things is that the now the problem is how to relate the parametric equations to the designer's input, namely the two ends points and the tangent vectors. And another things is considered applying the boundary condition is here, that like the p0 p0 at u equals to 0 and p1 p and p1, that like the at u equals to 1 is considered here. And you have to see here substituting the ci into this equations, and also that like is putting here the p0 equals to c0, p0 dash equals to c1, and also the p1 equals to c3 c plus c2 plus c1 plus c0, and also the p1 dash equals to 3 c3 plus 2 c2 plus c1, and that like is considered according to the c0 equals to p0, c1 equals to p0 dash, c2 equals to 3 p1 minus p0 into bracket close equals minus 2 into p0 dash minus p1 dash is here, and also the c3 equals to 2 into p0 minus p1 plus p0 dash plus p1 dash is considered according to these equations. And another things, the pu equals to 2 u cube minus 3 u square plus 1 into p0 plus minus 2 u cube plus 3 u square into p1 plus u3 u cube minus 2 u square plus u into p0 plus u cube minus u square into p1 is here, that like the 0 less than u less than 1. And also this equations is here, pu equals to u to the power t in the third bracket m is into bracket close is b 0 less than equals to u less than equals to 1 is considered is here, where m is the Hermite matrix and b is the geometry or the boundary conditions vector is considered. The both are given by this, the m is equals to 1 matrix will be given, that like the first column is the 2 the minus 3 0 0 on, and the second column minus 2 3 0 0, and the third column on minus 2 on 0, and the fourth column is there on minus 1 0 0 is considered, that like you can see here the v equals to p0 p1 p1 p0 dash and the p1 dash, and also this like is considered the transportation. And the blending cubic spline segmentation is here, the equation 2 is for 1 cubic segmentation segment, it can be generalized for any two adjacent spline segments of a spline curves that are to fit a given number of data points that introduce the problems of blending or joining cubic spline segments, which can be started that like your the you can see P0, that like your the P1, P2, P3, P4, P n minus 2, n minus 1, and like the P dash the n minus 1, and also this line is called considered as the spline segmentation as shown in figure. And another things you can see, the let's starts from this the connecting two curves. We can connect two Hermite spline curves are from the C2 continuous curves, and you can see that like your the continuous curves, and also second derivatives at the end of this the first curve must be equal to the second derivatives the beginning of the first curve. Thus we can write here p dash u1 equals to 1, p u2 equals to 0. Using these relations we can further derive the tangent vectors, that is the second curves we can write here. Also the tangent vectors at the beginning of the second curves is here, that like the using these curves is the using for the informations we can construct the C2 continuous curve that passes through the three given data positively points by blending two Hermite curves together. And you can see this like your the 3 points, the contours of this the cubic of the spline curves. This is the shown that like your the Bezier or the B spline curves also will be the control of this curve is not very obvious from this the input data. Due to this the global control characteristics also will be here. And this is the seen here the changing these positions, just like your the different positions will be changed according to your the points, just like your the concept of you can see here the slope change, that like the entity shapes of this the splines which does not provide the initiative field requires for this the design. In addition, the order of this the curve is always constant cubic regardless of this the number of data point is find. And the next class is discussed during toward the geometric modeling. Thank you, student.